Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. On today's video, we'll be diving into the referral request and sick note feature on Ilara's HMIS. This is a tool that will not only streamline the referral process but also ensure your patients get the right care and support when they need it the most. So for this video, we'll start by looking at how to handle the referral request. When a patient is referred from another facility, it is crucial to capture all the relevant details to continue their seamless care. So in the HMIS, the referral request is found in the diagnosis and plan section under a patient's encounter. And on there, you'll get to see the referral request and the sick notes, but we'll start with the referral request. For recording these details, you'll start by entering the name of the facility that the patient was referred from. This ensures you know exactly where the patient is coming from. Next, we'd want to know the patient's clinical summary in the previous facility, so that would be important to note. We'd then record if there were any investigations that were done at the referring facility. This might include the lab test, imaging, or other diagnostics. And then we'd want to note down if there was any medication or treatment provided for the patient before being referred, and then finally capture the reason for the patient referral. This is critical for understanding why the patient was sent to your facility and what kind of care they might need next. That is simply it for the referral request. Now let's move on to the other essential feature, which is issuing a sick note. Whether your patient needs time off from work, school, or any other obligation, this feature allows you to provide the necessary documentation easily. So we'll begin by inputting the type of sick note, whether it's for work, school, or any other reason. This ensures that the note is tailored to the patient's need, and then later on specify the duration of the sick leave. You can choose the start and the end dates, ensuring the note accurately reflects the time needed for recovery. So yes guys, that's it for the sick note. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this that will enable you to fully maximize Ilara's HMIS to its full potential.